How to fix the AMDRSServ.exe system error that says the code execution cannot proceed because OpenCL.dll was not found. Let's fix it quickly. First, open the official AMD website and download the AMD Cleanup Utility. After downloading, restart your PC into safe mode, then run the Cleanup Utility. Click OK, and let it completely remove all AMD drivers and software from your system. Once the cleanup is finished, restart your PC. Now, open the AMD driver download page again and search for your graphics card model. For example, if you have an Radeon RX 5500M, search for that GPU. Instead of installing the latest driver, click Previous Versions and download AMD Adrenalin Edition 26.6.1 for your version of Windows. Install the driver and restart your computer one more time. After the restart, the OpenCL.dll Was Not Found error should be completely fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can